Les homographes. So don't be afraid, don't be scared. It's actually not that difficult. When we're talking about this homograph thing, we're talking about words that will be written almost the same way. Normally they should be written the same way, but we'll see that we've got two cases that are a bit special, but then they are written almost the same way. But then according to the gender, so whether it's masculine or feminine, the meaning of the word will change. Okay, so we'll see the first one. The first one is un moral. Okay, un moral. And so you can see the meaning here in English. Okay, and so if we see the feminine form, and I wanted to start with this one because, as I said, in most of the cases they will be written the same way, but in that case you've got this at the end, which is silent, so you don't pronounce it. So clearly it is the same pronunciation for the two words, but then in that case it's feminine, une morale, okay? And here is the meaning in English, okay? So, un moral, une morale. Okay, so let's see the second now. Un moule, okay? And you've got here the meaning, un moule, and the feminine form, une moule, all right? Une moule. Okay, keep in mind you pronounce them the same way, but then as you can see the meaning is different. Le physique, and here is the meaning, and then la physique, and you've got here the meaning. Okay, le physique, la physique. Un poste, and here normally, so post or position, we're talking about a job, okay? Un poste. Une poste, and here is the meaning. Un tour, okay? So actually this word has quite many meanings, so it can be turn, a turn, and other meanings as well. But then the good thing is that the feminine form, une tour, has only one translation, and it's here. It's our une tour. Okay, so un tour, une tour. And then un livre, une livre. Une livre. Okay, so we're talking about the pound, so it can be well, the measurement for the weights, or then it can be as well une livre sterling, so if we're talking about the money. Okay, un mémoire, and then une mémoire, un capital, so here we're talking about money. Une capitale, so you can see that we pronounce it the same way, but as we had previously, you've got to put this at the end. Okay, un voile, une voile. And here with the sail, we're talking about the part of the sailing boat.